lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and super well. Welcome to my channel. I know my face is looking a little weird. That's because I do have concealer over my eyes, and I'm going to be using this brand new palette today from BH Cosmetics. You would have seen this before in the haul. This is the Diamond palette. Really lovely. And we're going to see what we can come up with this makeup look today. I love these palettes that's so small because, again, you know, like I always say, you can travel with these. And you can just pick up a couple of these and then you're good to go. And my makeup today slash foundation would be from Fashion Fair, and it's going to be Topaz Trophy. You guys would have seen the unboxing last Monday. You would have seen Brown Sugar Babe on Wednesday. You would have seen Caramel Fresh on Friday. So it's Monday today, and I'm going to be using Topaz Trophy to do my makeup. But I'm just going to be, you know, doing the full face today. Some clips are obviously going to be fast forwarded. So my eyes are already prepped, and there is a color in here that's called Suave. So I'm going to use that as a transition. So I'm reaching for a small blender brush, and again, it's a beautiful warm shade, again, called Suave. If you do have this palette, you should know what I'm talking about. And I'm just going to use this as a transition. This is very nice. So we're just going to blend this out. That is nicely blended. Although this is a diamond palette, you do have some color in here as well. And this brush blended everything out so nicely. So I'm going in with this nude palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to be using a dark color in the bottom here, in the bottom corner, just for a transition. I do have my cut crease tool right here, and you guys know I cannot live without this. So we're gonna dip into that. This just comes right here. And do you see that lovely line? I really like that. This is really good. So I'm taking my brush, and I'm going to be taking a concealer. I'm going to be using my Milani concealer for this, and I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. Squeeze that out. And we are going to do a little cut crease. I'm just going to use the smaller end to do that. So this cut crease is looking really good today. And I'm going in with my glitter glue. I'm going to put a little bit of this on my hand. And this is a double-ended brush, and this is from Primark. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on top, because I really want this glitter to stick. So I'm going in now with my Diamond palette, and I'm going to be using Bling right now. And wow, let's just see how this is going to look. Oh my, this is very pretty. This is a lovely shade. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It's called Bling, and of course with the glitter glue, as you can see, I'm not getting any fallout at all. And so there's a beautiful black glitter shade in here called Flawless. And I'm going to be using that in the corner. Oh my, this is just pretty. Look at that, my loves. Oh my God. This is incredible. I absolutely love that. And so I'm going back in with Suave. And I'm just going to just blend a little bit more just on the hood of my eyes. And I am going to take a very small brush back to the Huda Beauty palette. I'm just going to blend out this dark one just a little bit more. This is really nice. And let's just blend it all together here. This is very, very pretty, guys. Really, really pretty. Absolutely love that. Okay, my lovelies, what do you think of the eyes? What do you guys think? I really hope it's coming across okay. I love it. I do. I love this. I already have the primer on my face from Fashion Fair, and I'm going to be using Topaz Trophy today. You guys would have seen the unboxing last Monday. Last Wednesday was Brown Sugar Babe. Friday was Caramel Fresh. Today is Topaz Trophy. And I'm going to be using the Enchanting Amber powder to balance it out because I have a feeling Topaz Trophy is a little light for my skin. And I'm going to use a brush to blend this out. So we're just going to go straight to blending. So let's blend this out. So this is Topaz Trophy. Hope you guys can see this. Hope the light is not too bright. Okay, Topaz Trophy. This is what I have on my face. I really thought this was going to be a little bit too light, but it's okay. And I feel like it has maybe like a little bit of a red undertone, I would say. Just slightly. But it's not bad at all. And let me just see, I can still see my skin imperfections, which is fine. Let me just see if we can still, if we can, I think you can build this up, but I don't want to put too much of this on my face. That is really nice. So I'm not going to go in with any concealers today. I'm just going to use the powder Enchanting Amber. And I'm just going to grab a brush, and this is Enchanting Amber right here, and we're just going to tap into my skin. So guys, this powder is everything. It balances out your skin so nicely. Although I'm going in pretty much heavy with the powder, my skin is not looking like I'm wearing too much. I don't feel like my skin is clogged or anything. So if you do have Topaz Trophy, don't be afraid to use it. Balance your skin out with the powder. It's called Enchanting Amber. If you do have Caramel Fresh, the cream to powder foundation, balance your skin out with the powder. It's going to work. I promise you it's going to work. So I'm going in now with my favorite bronzer. You guys are always going to see this in my videos. It's called Viva Havana, and this is from Lise Wattier. And I'm just going to use just a small brush, and you can just roll this around. And I use this on my cheeks just as a little bit of a highlight, because I don't like to go in with too much stuff on my face. You guys already know that. Just right on my cheeks. I mean, this can be used all over the face, which is totally fine. But I just like to use this as a highlight, just to give a little color to my face. And if I want to bring this around, I could also do that. Just on the outskirts of my face, it would be nice as well. But just to have that little hint of bronziness on my cheeks, just on the cheekbone, I really like that. So let's work on the lips right now, guys. We're just gonna go in with just a little lip balm. And I'm going to be using this lipstick from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna leave the name of this lipstick in the description box for you. And I don't think I need to go in with any lip liner with this one. And of course, I'm reaching for my favorite setting spray from It Cosmetics. You guys know this is my favorite. Okay, my lovelies, here we are with the finished look of the makeup. I really like this one. I do. This is the Diamond palette from BH Cosmetics. Love it. I used 3 colors from this palette. These are the colors again. I've used Suave, this is Bling, and this is Flawless. The only 3 colors I use on my eyes. Bling is on the cut crease. Fearless is in the corners. It's a glitter color, but I use that to smoke out my corners. And then I use Suave as a transition. Lovely, lovely, lovely makeup. I love the way this has turned out. Let's talk about the foundation. I really thought that Topaz Trophy would have been a little bit light for my skin, but it's not. It has a little bit of a slight reddish undertone, almost yellow, which is not bad. It fits my skin absolutely perfect. But I balanced my skin out with the powder called Enchanting Amber. So if you do have the cream to powder foundation, don't be afraid to use it, but balance your skin out with the powder. If you also have Topaz Trophy, which is the stick foundation, again, don't be afraid to use it. It's going to be fine. Just make sure you use the powder, the pressed powder, to balance your skin out, and your skin is going to look so absolutely pretty. And one of the things I've noticed with this new line from Fashion Fair, it completely, for me, eliminates a whole bunch of steps. Because I will go in with my pore minimizing primer, I will go in with my color corrector, I will go in with all kinds of things to prep my skin for my foundations, and I don't need any of that anymore. All I need is the primer. It's a primer and serum together, and it is vegan. I go in with the foundation, I go in with my powder, and then I put on my bronzer, my lipstick, and that's it. And my face looks like I have so many different layers and steps to my skin. But I don't. I absolutely love these products, and I think Fashion Fair has just knocked Fenty Beauty off the diamond. Fenty Beauty has just been knocked off the diamond, and Fashion Fair has taken its place. I really love the products, and I really hope you guys have a chance to pick up on a few of these. It's for dark skin tone women, and you can definitely find your shade. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. So leave me your thoughts in the description box. Let me know what you think of this makeup look today. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you next time. Toodles!